Hello everyone, welcome back. It's me again, Tatu Okil! Okay, so in this video, kauban na po na ko ang akong tibok na pamilya, and today in this video, we are going to do unboxing! Yay! Okay, ando kagandang ka sa mga kawan. Alright, guys, before me mo padayon sa among unboxing, we would like to thank the people nga nagpadala ning box sa mua balikbayan box gikan sa New Zealand. New Zealand siya gikan, and gipaabot na mo siya murag November pa siya na send, pero karon pa naabot sa mua. I mean, the other day na mo gi-pick up sa Quezon. But yeah, today we are very excited to do unboxing. Okay, excited na kami makabalo kung unsay sulod aning atong box. Okay, so let's do it. Sir, Louis, daghang kayong salamat, and to your wife, daghang kayong salamat. We are so excited to open this box, and happy kami nga nakadawat ani. For the second time nakadawat ta og balikbayan box. Oh my goodness. Kana bitong feeling nga kanang kinsa na manggod ta para padalan og balikbayan box. Oh my goodness. We don't know these people, and yet they are so kind, and kanang willing gid magpadala sa ato og balikbayan box. Alright, Cassie? Yeah. While busy sila nga mag unbox. Okay, so bahala naman sa inyong kinabuhi di. Okay, so naka-exuma-suma natin. What's inside?
Clothes.
What are you expecting? Clothes and
Dili na ko
clothes.
mag-expect og
Ate ka nakibunbun ni
I
ate.
expect
What are you expecting?
stuffed toys.
Stuffed toys? Okay.
And clothes.
Clothes?
And
Alright, for kids. Yeah. Let me help you. Okay. Okay. Alright.
Oh,
Kakag
alagi.
Okay. Alright.
Dasok ka diyo. Dasok.
No. Be careful. Be careful.
Be careful because it's so nice.
Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Ay, pag na, palagi. Okay.
Okay. Alright. Yeah. Guys, okay. First, Cassie. Okay, so stuffed toys ang sulod.
And
Alright?
some stuff
Yeah.
we need. Oh, joke.
Okay, anyway. So, sa isa-isahaw na to ni guys. Okay, so look at this. Nice kayo. Alright. Okay. Anyway, so ato sang pangtan-awon. Stuff to tanahan stuff. Thank you so much, Sir Louis. Are you happy? What is
Yeah.
that?
oh, okay.
It's
Crayons.
crayons.
Toys.
Pencil case.
Case.
Okay. Okay. Another stuffed toy. And this one is
Stuff.
stuffed toy gyapon. I mean, wala mi kabalagon sa kani.
Oh,
Wala mi
I know
kabalagon.
this.
Really?
Oh,
Wala mi kabalagon sa mga.
this
Okay. Wow. Jacket. Thank you so much. Daghang kayong salamat. Alright, hanang atong himuna ni ato sang ipangkuan ato.
Ay, ipanggawas.
Oh yeah, paggawas na tayo.
This is
Okay. Okay, stuffed toys. Stuffed toys.
stuff toys.
Stuffed toys.
Goggles.
Stuffed toy.
Toy.
Oh, that's for swimming. Oh, baby from New Zealand.
Stuff.
Okay, so this one is Hanhi bag.
Oh, bags.
Bag. Okay. Nice bag. Anak ka na magkuha. Okay, so. Oh, kasi, look at this.
Oh, for school.
Yeah, shoes.
Oh, this is what is that?
A mask.
Mask.
Sa-
Another stuffed toy. Bottle. Water bottle. Okay, stuffed toy gid siya tanan. And another bottle. Water bottle.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. Wallet with money. Okay,
No
wallet.
money inside it.
Alright. Stuffed toy again. Stuffed toy again.
Bye-bye.
Stuffed toy.
Pizza. Pizza.
Wala, nindot kayo mga stuff toy yun.
You're mad.
Toy.
Yung mga stuff toy, nindot kayo.
You're not mad.
Tanan, tanan.
Hala, I
tanan,
told you it's a t-shirt.
Tanan, 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 tanan.
Kuan abi.
Okay. Yung kuhan sa ini, di ba?
Yeah, I just know.
Okay, stuff toy.
Hello.
And take note guys, take note mga bag-o pa ang mga stuff toys tanan.
Yeah, we
mga bag-
all know everything in it.
Yeah. These are new
I don't like that. Oh,
shoes.
Yes.
Okay. And stuff toys.
Bags.
Okay. Yeah. Half sa kuan balik ba yung box kay stuff toys. And let's see kung unsaan na ay naasa ang half ani. All right.
Bags.
All right. Let me see.
oh,
Papito,
some
kila?
put there.
Oh, Science and Health bags. Oh my goodness. Magamit ni sa kuan yung han. Magamit ni sa
Okay. Masag o bag ta.
bag.
And
Kadi
I
isa
know.
inis.
And sa Batman.
Hindi rin bag sa kuan tag kuan. Ano pa eh?
Nempus. Ooh.
Okay.
Ako, Nike.
Bags.
Nike.
Nike. Bag.
Oh, pamanyo kay.
And another bag. Backpack. Shoes. And
Bag.
laki sa kaida kaya taga na ng bata. And dapat si water bag.
Water bag.
Oh yeah. Water na si water bag. Oh. Ate ka rin din nga agad ang ko ikaw.
Sorry.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, that is so
Pagkakog
nice.
alam.
Guys.
I
Alag
cannot.
na ka. And wow. Look at this.
Bra.
Kasi brand ani sandugo, di ba? Ate, look at this. Ate,
Di alam ko
Ano
ikaw. No.
nakalan.
Spider-Man again.
Oh, look at this. Ate Red.
I'm so sorry. I cannot.
Han.
Oh. T-shirt.
You guys,
Oh.
don't break the
Yes.
rules.
Yeah, don't take it. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Caps. A lot of this one. Caps. And
No, I think this is
another. Kalo. And another. Ano pa ikwet kalo? Suara kalo tadi. Ano pa kalo kaya kalo?
shorts. Alam mo mo kaya parang upuma, parang abidwa yan.
And another cap. Round cap. Look at these.
Pangligo.
And
Shorts. Alam ko yun yung pangligo.
and
What's this? Ay,
shorts. Wala pang bata gid siya han. Masulog iya. Masulog pang bata. Pang bata gid siya. Hala ka cute anis. Ka cute. Ko voice ini. Mas
Kako
ko
na may
voice
ibon.
ini. Iko kat anak pa.
anak to, wag mo mga anak.
Ha?
Oh, this is
Ate.
all of. Kopya. Pangkwara.
Yan, wala ganda, madala.
Kasi look at this.
Clothes,
Kasi look at
no,
this.
that's for boys.
Now.
I think it's
Pangbata, sir, pangbata gid siya. Mag-iyon na siya daan nga pangbata ang kuan. Basig pangbata doon eh. So this is it. Yeah, pangbata gid siya sir. And ang mga backpacks and ang mga caps. Round cap na. Nakikiganan nga round cap. Ano eh? Okay, Rod.
Boys sports.
Alag dat ulo ko. Nindot ka ay nga mga kuan. Nindot pa ni nga mga sinina sir. Uy! Ha? Napa oh? Yay. Thank you so much, Sir Louis, and to your wife nga naghago kayo og fill in aning box para ipadala sa mo. This is so cute. Look at that. Daghang kayong salamat, everyone. Last.
Yan na.
Ay, terno, oh. Terno. Sa ini. Sa ini. Is it? Maybe. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so, yeah. So that's the end of our unboxing.
Yeah.
Alright, this is so nice, Cassie.
Again.
Okay, so pang bata og stuffed toys and bags ang sulod sa atong balikbayan ng box karon, and I am so happy. I am thinking kanin dili na ko ang katong mga panglalaki bitaw nga mga sinina sa bata kay dili na koy panghatag because we're planning to have another baby this year. Announcement. Announcement, everyone. We are planning to have another baby this year. So some of the clothes for kids, we are not going to give away. Dili na mo panghatag kay ikip na mo. You know, basin pa di ay panalanginan sa Ginoo maka. Anyway, yeah, so that's it for this video. Say thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Louis from New Zealand, Auckland.
sir.
I didn't know. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Daghang salamat, Sir Louis. We are so happy. We are so blessed. I mean, knowing that we don't know each other, yet you are so kind to, you know, filling up this box to be sent to us. Diba? Sa Pilipinas, we are blessed. Daghang salamat. We pray that God will bless you more. Daghang salamat and pag-amping mong tanan. Regards to everyone diha sa New Zealand. We're going to see you in our next vlog. God bless everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Say bye-bye kasi. Say bye-bye kasi.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.